Today we're going to talk about how to use muscle energy technique, what I also called whole relax stretch or PNF stretch, to increase knee range of motion. First, let's talk about how to increase knee extension. Suppose that your knee does not go straight and you want to make it straight. However, something is stuck in the knee joint that prevents you from doing so. The traditional way to stretch into knee extension is to just push the knee down with an overpressure. You can use your hand to apply pressure to push the knee into an extension. However, it is actually more effective to use muscle energy. How you would do that is you're going to push your heel into the floor, and this is going to contract your hamstring. You push your heel into the floor for 3 to 4 counts, 2, 3, 4, and then you relax the hamstring. You're going to repeat that. So we're going to push the heel down again for 3 to 4 seconds, 2, 3, 4, and relax. And again, push down, 2, 3, 4, with the heel, and relax. And then after 3 to 4 repetitions, you're going to take a deep breath. And now you're going to stretch with some overpressure. And then you repeat the process. Push the heel into the floor, hold, 2, 3, 4, and relax, and repeat. So you do that until you feel a give in the knee that allows it to go more into an extension. This is probably the most effective way for knee extension stretch. Just a little precaution here. Take your hand, touch the back of the knee. If it feels tender, it could be inflamed. So before you do this technique, make sure you ice the back of the knee so that you don't make the inflammation worse by overstretching. Now let's talk about how to bend the knee using muscle energy technique. And you can use a stretching strap, or here I have a belt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop this around my ankle. So you can use pretty much any belt. This is a pretty simple process. So now suppose that my knee won't bend and I want to bend it. So first I'm going to bring it to end range. So suppose that it won't go any farther than that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push my ankle against the belt. So I'm going to give it a small push, 2, 3, 4, and relax. So I'm activating my quads to push my ankle away from the body, 2, 3, 4, and relax. And again, push, 2, 3, 4, and relax. And take a deep breath. And then you give it a little more stretch. Right, and from here, you do it again. And push the ankle against the strap. Push, 2, 3, 4, and relax. And again, push the ankle against the belt. 2, 3, 4, and relax. And again, 2, 3, 4, relax. A deep breath. And then overpressure with the strap. Okay, and repeat that 3 to 4 times. And that's how you use muscle energy technique or PNF stretch to increase your knee range of motion. Now, if for some reason you can allow your stomach, you can do the same stretch on your side. So on my side, I can do the same technique. Push my ankle against the strap, 2, 3, 4, and relax. And again, push the ankle against the strap, 2, 3, 4, and relax. And again, push, 2, 3, 4, and relax. And take a deep breath. And overpressure. If you have a longer strap, it will be a little easier on the shoulder and the wrist and the elbow because you get better leverage. That's how you would increase your knee range of motion using muscle energy technique. If you enjoyed the video, hope you'll give it a like. If you don't enjoy the video, give it a thumbs down and make a comment down below.